How to fix PayPal balance not showing. So I'm going to show you how you can fix this, as well as some reasons why your balance might not be showing. The first thing that I suggest doing is clearing your cache. So click on the three dots of your browser, go into settings, then you will search for cache written like this, and you want to click on delete browsing data. Here, make sure that cached images and files is selected, and then you want to set this to all time and just click on delete from this device. Once you have cleared the cache, another reason why your balance might not be updating is because your payment is processing. If you're using different types of payment methods, then it might take 3 to 5 business days in order for your funds to be added into your PayPal balance. And that is pretty much how it works. You can use another payment method for a faster transaction, but you might need to wait if you use a bank transfer. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.